Welcome to the Ashby Road, Tamworth, as we are just heading into Statfold Country Park, just on the Ashby Road here. We're heading from Tamworth, so yeah, only a short little video today, and hopefully we won't be met with any Arctic trucks like we was when we went down to Leitch's Wood. That was slightly trickier than what today is definitely going to be. Famous last words though, as now we are destined to meet some traffic or something that might get in our way. Yeah, so as you head down now, we're coming from Tamworth, the other way as well, signposts as well. You can see the signs here for Statfold Country Park, Country Park even. Yep, Statfold next right. Says closed today, but it's only closed to the public, as I've took a school in today. Yep, and as you can see, it's just on the right here as you approach the brow of the hill, and you come to the Cadbury train there, which is quite nice. You haven't come to Cadbury World, it's just the Cadbury train. Apparently it used to run from this station down here. So yeah, this is as you turn in, you come past a little bit of an industrial estate on your left here. You've got the retro roller disco, if anybody's interested. It's not for me because I would fall over on the roller skates. Well, I would be like Bambi on ice, so no exaggeration. So yeah, we come down, as you can see, there's, like I say, there's a little industrial estate on the left hand side here. It's still well signposted, and the signage is good to give you a good indication of where to go. Come down here, and as you can see, caravans and companies to the right, deliveries straight on, and the main entrance to the left here. Today the two entrances are closed, but we use the exit, which is just as easy. On a busy day they'll both be open. Well, if it's open to the public, they'll both be open, and you'll just head in the right way. But today we take the exit, and there's a lovely big car park here. Obviously if it's more busy, that will be an issue, but I come in the summer when it was quite busy, and we just dropped off down the bottom here, and there was plenty of room to turn around, plenty of room to do everything we need to do, to drop off and whatnot. So yeah, this is the side building. I think they use that for weddings, I'm not sure. And then there is the main entrance there, which is where the people usually go, depending on what they are here doing. We'll park up next to Bagnall's here, and that is us done, totally done. Yes, but again, a little bit of a informational video for anyone who doesn't, hasn't been here before, just wants a little heads up. To most of us, as I always say, it's easy, but to those who don't know, it's not. But yes, if you've enjoyed this, hopefully it's helped you, and hopefully you've enjoyed it, and I will see you at the next easy job.